Nerve damage, also known as neuropathy, refers to a condition where there is damage or dysfunction of nerves. Nerves are the communication lines of the body, transmitting signals between the brain and other parts of the body. When nerves are damaged, they may not function properly, leading to a variety of symptoms. In this video, we will explore the natural ways that can help your nerves to recover from damage. 1. Healthy diet. Maintaining a balanced diet is crucial for overall health, including the health of the nervous system. A well-rounded diet provides essential nutrients that support nerve function, promote brain health, and contribute to the overall well-being of the nervous system. In fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, flaxseeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and hemp seeds, omega-3 fatty acids are present which support brain health and may help protect nerves. Riboflavin is found in dairy products, lean meats, green leafy vegetables, eggs, nuts, and enriched cereals. Riboflavin is important for energy production and the maintenance of healthy nerve cells. Include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet, as they contain antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress, which can contribute to nerve damage. Alpha-lipoic acid is an antioxidant that may help protect nerves from damage and promote regeneration. It's found in certain foods, such as spinach, broccoli, and yeast, or it can be taken as a supplement. Staying well hydrated is essential for overall health, including the health of the nervous system. Water is crucial for proper nerve function and helps in the transmission of signals. 2. Proper exercise. Exercise is beneficial for the nervous system in various ways, promoting overall health and well-being. Different types of exercise can positively impact the nervous system, including the brain and peripheral nerves. Activities such as brisk walking, running, cycling, swimming, and dancing help improve cardiovascular health. Cardiovascular exercise enhances blood flow, which is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the brain and peripheral nerves. Regular stretching can maintain flexibility, prevent stiffness, and improve nerve function. Balance exercises can help prevent falls and further nerve injury. Pilates focuses on core strength, flexibility, and overall body awareness. It can help improve posture and enhance neuromuscular control, benefiting the nervous system. 3. Adequate sleep. Sleep plays a crucial role in supporting the health and function of the nervous system. It is during sleep that the body undergoes essential processes for the repair, restoration, and consolidation of memories. Adequate sleep helps regulate neurotransmitters, including serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. These neurotransmitters are essential for mood regulation, emotional well-being, and cognitive function. The glymphatic system, a waste clearance system in the brain, becomes more active during sleep. This process helps remove toxins and waste products that accumulate in the brain throughout the day. Sleep is a time for the body to repair and regenerate cells, including neurons. This is essential for maintaining the structure and function of the nervous system. To promote good sleep hygiene and support the nervous system, go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Avoid caffeine and nicotine close to bedtime, as they can interfere with sleep and limit screen time. 4. Mind-body techniques. Mind-body techniques are approaches that focus on the connection between the mind and the body, emphasizing the influence of mental and emotional factors on physical health. Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. Meditation practices, such as mindfulness meditation, have been associated with reduced stress, improved focus, and changes in brain structure related to emotional regulation. Deep breathing techniques, such as diaphragmatic breathing or paced breathing, can help activate the body's relaxation response. Focusing on slow, deep breaths can reduce stress and promote a sense of calm. Yoga combines physical postures, breath control, and meditation. It is known for promoting flexibility, balance, and relaxation. Certain yoga practices, such as restorative or gentle yoga, can be particularly calming for the nervous system. 5. Avoid alcohol and quit smoking. Alcohol and smoking can have significant effects on the nervous system, and these effects are generally negative. Both substances can impact the brain and peripheral nerves, leading to various health problems. Alcohol is a depressant that slows down the central nervous system. It affects neurotransmitters, leading to symptoms such as slurred speech, impaired coordination, and slowed reaction times. Smoking generates free radicals and oxidative stress, which can damage cells, including those in the nervous system. This oxidative damage contributes to neurodegenerative conditions. Smoking is associated with an increased risk of neurological disorders, including Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. 6. Herbal supplements. Several herbs are believed to have potential benefits for the nervous system, and some traditional practices and preliminary research suggest that certain herbs may support nerve health and function. However, consult a healthcare practitioner before using supplements because they may interfere with prescriptions or negatively affect them. Here are some herbal remedies that are often considered for neuropathy. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is often used to support cognitive function and circulation. It may enhance blood flow, which can be beneficial for the brain. Chamomile. Chamomile is a gentle herb with calming properties. It's commonly consumed as a tea and may help promote relaxation and reduce stress. Turmeric. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Some research suggests that it may have neuroprotective effects and could potentially support cognitive function. Ashwagandha. This adaptogenic herb might help reduce stress and support nerve regeneration.